moving on with you.
Hi everyone, it's Tin here and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing 2 boxes from Ami Cosmetics. So ayan guys, meron tayong dalawang box from Ami Cosmetics. Ayan. So eto guys, yung unang na-receive ko. So medyo last month pa. Nung last month pa, pero may pinasunod ulit silang isa pang box. Ngayon ko pa lang siya gagamitin. So why not gawan muna natin sila ng unboxing. So yung pangalawang box is eto yung itsura niya. Nasa plain white siya na box and it looks very clean. Ayan siya guys. And medyo mas malaki tong box na to compare dito sa pangalawang box. So ayan. So super clean itong white. And eto naman napaka-native, napaka-organic ng kulay nitong isang box. Eto yung uunahin natin. May pa-note pa siya dyan. Especially for you, dear Christina Roman. So, eto na-receive ko to nung Christmas. Eto naman na isa, na-receive ko lang siya this week lang. Skin Star Vengers. So, from the word, I think beautiful. Etong nauuna. So, I'm not really sure. Naka-ribbon lang siya, nakatali para hindi maghiwalay. Wishing you healthy and beautiful life moments. Love. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Also, notes lang siya nung Christmas. Siyempre, nagkataon kasi na-receive ko din siya nung December 25. Ayan, super nice kasi na timing, diba? Buksan na natin. So, sabay-sabay natin tingnan. Ayan. Oh. Nice. Wow, nice. Isa-isayin natin yung laman nitong box. So, first, we have, eto, yung naka-ribbon pa na Blackhead Powder Cleansing Tea Bag. Meron siyang hibiscus. And, ayan. Ang ganda nito. V10 Blackhead Powder Cleansing Tea Bag. Next we have is the BRTC, tapos parang pabaliktad siya. Kita nyo ba guys? So this is the BRTC Anti-Pollution and Blackhead Cleansing Oil. So we have one. So next product guys, we have the Cliff Premium Supreme 24K Gold Ampule. Ayan. This one is a Supreme 24K Gold Ampule. Ayan yung packaging niya. Super nice. Napaka elegant ng kulay. And this one is also made in Korea from Ami Cosmetics. Ayan siya guys. Let's see yung kanyang laman. Nice. Ang ganda ng packaging niya, guys. Super nice ng packaging. Napaka-social. Ayan. Nice. Next, guys, is the Blemish Recover Balm Blemish Care System. Ayan siya. So, ganito yung itsura niya. Ayan. A Blemish Recover Balm Blemish Care System, Sebum Control, and Soothing Recover Balm for evening out skin texture. So, ganyan yung itsura din ng packaging. This one has UV block function, SPF 28 and /PA++. Another one is from BRTC again. This one is the Centilla Cica Derm Concentrated Care for Skin Soothing. Meron siyang asiatic acid, asiatic acid, and madicasic acid. I don't know, tama ba pag-pronounce ko? Nasa white lang siya na squeezy tube. Ayan. It looks like the parang pang treatment din to, skin soothing, lalo na dun sa may mga cystic acne, I think. Kasi meron siyang madicasic acid, asiatic acid, and the teicosid acid. I'm not sure kung tama yung pag-pronounce ko. Kasi, first time ko palang na-encounter yung mga words na to, guys. Next product, guys, is this one. Ayan. So, eto naman, nasa ganitong packaging siya. Ayan. Ano ba to? This one, nasa plastic siya na box. So, eto yung kanyang pinaka-packaging. This one pala, guys, is a Centilla Cica Toner in Pad. Centilla or the Centilla Cica Toner in Pad. It's concentrated care for skin soothing. Quick and easy soothing care filled with Centilla Cica Toner for irritated skin. So, I tried the Cica Clinic product before and I really like it. Nag-work siya sa akin. So, this one, for acne din or for acne treatment din. Halos lahat naman to for acne treatment. I hope so. Mag-work siya sa akin dahil nga I have acne prone skin. So, i-open natin. So, I'm gonna show you. Ayan, naka-sealed pa siya, guys. Buksan na natin. Ayan. So, hindi ko na siya masyadong bubuksan para ma-protect pa natin siya. And, ayan. So, kung kukunin mo yung isang cotton pad, here, ganyan lang yung gagawin mo. Ito yung magiging pangkuha mo ng pad. So, ayan. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ito na yung huling products na nandito sa box na to. Ayan. So, last product. So, last product na, guys. Ito naman ay from Pure Heals by Nature Village. Pure Heals by Nature Village. So, ayan. Tingnan natin yung packaging. Wow! Nice! Ang gaganda ng packaging. So, ganyan yung packaging niya. Looks like that. Ayan. This one is the Pure Heals Green Centilla 65 Green Tea Pack. And I really like the smell ng green tea. Looks like this. Wow! Ayan siya, guys. Para siyang scrub. Let's proceed here. The Skin Star Bevengers. Yan. Tingnan natin. Wow. Yan. OM. Ayan. Meron tayo ditong mga notes about the products. Meron din siyang notes for creator. But, hindi ko din maintindihan dahil nasa Korean language din siya. Ayan. So, meron siya yung sleeve na Premium Supreme 24K Ampule. So, again, guys, naulit to. So, eto naman, guys, is the BRTC V10 Pure Cleansing Pad. The V10. Meron siyang V10. Multivital 10 system. So this one guys, magagamit ko to kasi napakarami kong large pores. Another product we have is the Pure Heals by Nature Village. So this one, meron na ako nito. Next product is the BRTC Anti-Pollution and Full Makeup Cleansing Oil. Madalas ako nagme-makeup, so magagamit ko to talaga. This one is the Essence Herb Jojoba 100 Oil. Pure Golden Jojoba Essential Oil for multi-use from head to toe. Unrefined cold press. Natural Jojoba Oil. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. The Jojoba Oil. So, we have the Jojoba Oil. Another product is the Clib Premium Hyaluronic Propolis Ampule, and this one is my anti-wrinkle function. This one is a premium product. Akala mo pang injectable siya, pero yung packaging lang yan, guys. Kasi nakalagay naman dito yung direction niya dito sa may likod. Ayan, bubuksan mo lang siya. Then, ayan, i-apply mo siya sa face mo. Mag-search tayo ng 10-step Korean skincare kung paano siya gawin. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. It comes with ayan, with 10 vials. Then another one is the Mediclear tea tree ampule, and the tea tree lip water, lavender flower extract, the sebum control power up. This one is the same packaging with this Mediclear tea tree ampule, and ito naman is tea tree variant siya. Meron siyang tea tree lip water and the lavender flower extract, and this one is also a sebum, and ano siya, sebum control power up. Ayan, itong isang kulay blue. And ito naman yung anti-wrinkle function. Looks the same packaging. Nasa vial din siya, guys. Ayan, 10 vials din siya. Ayan. So, that's it, guys, for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!